Alright, so just turned up in the mail today. My new helmet. Revzilla. So anyway, this is the unboxing of it. So it's a Shuberth E1 dual sport helmet. So I'm very interested to see what we've got. Make sure I don't cut the helmet. Alrighty. What have we got? Packing slip, stickers, that's cool. Wear it, Shuberth. What's this thing? Ooh, awesome. I've got a $100 wine voucher that's probably only valid in America. A lot of good that's going to do me. It says deliveries included. I wonder if I'll get that. I don't think so. I don't even drink wine. Alright, nothing else in there. Don't need that. And here's the box. Explore your limits. What else have we got in here? Open it up this way. There's a flash bag. A big instruction manual and these things here for spares for the visor, I say. Nothing else in the box. Alright, so I'll get my little sponge out here. So I don't want to scratch my new helmet. Looks like a Duna cover. Voila! Nice. It's pretty light. Front vents. A little bit of packing peanut. Little levers on the side so that I can adjust this visor up. So I pretty much know everything about this helmet anyway because I've been researching it for that long. But I suppose the main thing is if it will fit my head. It's quite small. It's a large size, so 59. It says it'll fit my head, but geez, it looks small compared to what I'm used to. Anyway, what else have we got? Oh yeah, that's the visor, the sun shield. Nice. Ride and have fun. Some more reading for later on. What else have we got here? What the hell is that thing hanging out? I can't remember seeing that on anybody else's unboxing. And there's the flip up. That feels pretty solid actually, I like that. I will be interested to see what this helmet is like. I'll give you a rundown in a couple of weeks after I've ridden it a fair bit and tell you what I think. I don't think I've shut that properly somehow. Maybe it is closed. Can't be, because that's not shut properly. What's going on? Something's not shutting properly on that side. Oh well, so far so good. I can't put it on because I've got a camera stuck on my head, but I'm sure it's going to fit. But anyway, that's my new E1 helmet, flip front. There's plenty of videos and stuff on YouTube explaining all about it and stuff, so I won't bother going into detail on it. But yeah, it looks like a very nice little helmet. But anyway, that's my new skid lid, and somehow I'm going to have to attach a camera to that, which will be interesting. But Shuberth, feel the need for speed.